So guys, this is our UV box. As you can see, it's a closed chamber from all four locations. Let me rotate this for you. This is how it looks like. It's totally a closed chamber that we have, and just to protect direct UV rays on human body. In this UV box, you can sterilize any of the product irrespective of a household or a official product. So let me show you a live demo how we can use it. So that's how it looks inside. We have used a Philips 11-volt tube in it, which has a life of 5,000 hours. So I have placed one mobile phone, a calculator, a COVID keychain, mouse, and let me try to put one remote also, a television remote. So once you keep your belonging inside, what we need to do is we need to set the timer for how many time do we require this, and ideally it should be for 3 minutes. So first of all, we will start it from here, then we will adjust the time. Let us select for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and from this button you can decrease the time also. Herein you can increase the time, decrease the time. So we'll do it for 1 minute once, and this button is to reset the time. So directly we can do it for 9 minutes, we can reduce it, we can reset it, and we can select the time. So we'll do it for 1 minute. So once we have selected the time, we'll start it. If you see, so there's a blue light in it. Let me try to rotate this for you. See, we have used a reflector also in it so that it can cover the entire zone. So we have started this machine for 1 minute 60 seconds, and once the time is over, about to get over, for approximately before 10 seconds, it will give us a beep sound. So maybe we can say it's an alarm which says that it's just the 10 seconds left. So it will give us a beep sound also couple of times, and you can sterilize any of the products, your food. As you can see, it's beeping and you can hear the sound. It's blinking also. So this represents the time is up. So now the time is over. If you can notice, the light is off now. So what products we can do in case if you want to use this product in the office? Obviously the files are keys, drawer keys, wallet, any of the product which we are using in the offices. Obviously in your water bottle, your coffee mug which we are continuously using, we can sterilize those products. In case if this product is at home, we can use for our fruits, vegetables, and various products. So various products, since in case if you have kids at home, obviously you can do it for their toys, their milk bottles, and any of the product you feel like. So this is our UVC box. I hope you like the video. Thank you.